Getting set up to run Facebook ads on Facebook. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we have a Facebook Business Manager, a Facebook page, and a ad account all set up and ready to go so we can then run ads. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to a website. So open up your browser and go to business. I already have it here. So business.facebook.com/settings. All right. Now, when you go here, one of two things is going to happen. If you already have a business manager, it may take you to this page where it shows them there, or it'll take you here straight to the actual settings. Either way, that means you already have a business manager. If you don't have a business manager, it'll walk you through setting one of those up. You just click start here or create, and it'll walk you through naming it, putting your address in or any other kind of company info, and you'll hit save, and that will create your business manager. But once it's created, we want to make sure that we set up a few things. Number one is your page. All right, and it looks like we do not have one. Number two is an ad account. In this case, we have one, but whether you have one or not, we're still going to walk through the creation process for just in case. So let's go ahead and start with a page. So we're going to click Pages. We're going to click Add, Create a New Page. We're going to select Local, Business, or Place. We're going to name it. You just name it your company name. So we'll just put KP Digital, and we'll choose a category that best describes your business. In this case, I'm going to click Advertising and Marketing. Then I'm going to put an address in. You want to put in a full complete address because it does help with Facebook. If you do not have one of those, it'll make it harder to run ads later. So just make sure you set one up. I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I do. All right, so now that I have created that Facebook page, we now see it here. Then we want to create an ad account. Okay, so for this, we click Add, and we click Create a New Ad Account. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so this is what it'll look like. And then you'll go ahead and name it. And I'd put your name - company name as the name of your pixel, select your time zone, and click US dollars. Then you would click Next. This ad account will be used for my business. And then you would click Create. I'm not going to do that because I already have an ad account. But once you hit Create, it'll also have you add your payment information. And once you do that, you'll save that. And then you will have an ad account. Okay. All right. So now up to this point, what we've done is we either already had or created a Facebook Business Manager. We created a page. The next thing we want to do is to make sure that you assign yourself to each of these assets so you can then use them. We're going to click the ad account. And if I wasn't here, I'd click here, select myself, click full control, assign. And on the page, I do the same thing. If I wasn't there, I'd click Add People, select myself, scroll all the way down and click everything. Basically, anything that says full control or admin, that's what you want to do. And I'd click Assign. All right. So now you are set up to go to the next steps. So what we did is we created your business manager, your page, your ad account, and we made sure that we added you to each of those things so you can then use them. Over the next couple of videos, we'll walk through setting each of those things up so that way they are ready to go.